Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 522 Shotwell Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the highly desirable Mission neighborhood. Surrounding neighborhoods are the Castro, Noe Valley, Mission Bay, and Potrero Hill. And here we are, lots of food and drink within walking distance of this residence. And here we are, one of my favorite parks, Mission Dolores, at a 13-minute walk. And if you need something quick from the grocery store, closest grocery store is Grocery Outlet with a 9-minute walk. Of course, you could drive there. They have parking, so you can do it much sooner than that. Okay, here we are on Shotwell Street, and this is a very unique street. It's really great because it's not a busy street, so it's not like South Van Ness or Valencia. So it's more quiet, but nonetheless very close and convenient. Now you're going to notice this is very unique because the property is set back from the street. So you have this very, very large front yard area with an iron gate. Pretty fantastic. And this is the driveway. We're going to take a little bit more closer look at that in a bit. But basically, it's only a 2-unit residence. This is the top floor unit we're showcasing. You're absolutely going to love it. It has a spectacular feel to it. Owners couldn't be nicer, and just a really fantastic property. Okay. All fresh new paint throughout. Mostly all brand new, refinished soft hardwood floors. Very high ceilings. This is the front-facing living room with a very attractive bay window. By the way, all windows are newer and double pane. Very good quality. Good for insulation and sound. Very private unit. Nobody's really looking in on you. In fact, that red brick tower across the way there is not a residential building. It's used for training purposes for the San Francisco Fire Department. Okay, another very attractive bay window. This is the first bedroom we're going to take a look at, the first of two. Once again, you'll showcase those newer windows. There is a closet in here, pretty decent size. Okay. This is the central heater with the thermostat. Works really well. And then we have the back bedroom. Again, high ceiling, softwood floors. All right, let's take a look at the bath. Very cool retro style, clawfoot tub, beautiful pedestal sink. It has a shower over tub. Okay, and the kitchen. Kitchen has a really great feel to it. Brand new kitchen island right there with storage. There is a nice big pantry with a little window, a big fridge, and a retro style range oven with an exhaust fan. This is a gas range. Actually, it works really well. And the lid goes up, and you have 4 burners right there. And then you have an oven. And these ovens actually are extremely well insulated and still work really, really well. So just FYI. So nice oven and a 4-range burner. Solid surface countertops, double undermount stainless steel sink, and a nice dishwasher. It's open into the dining room. Could be a big breakfast room. Actually, it's quite large, so you could probably put a desk or, actually it does have that built-in bookcase there as well. So this is an area of the home you'll probably be spending a lot of time in. I think you'll quite enjoy looking at this in person. This is kind of a nice and sunny little space. And again, newer style 3 double hung windows. Okay. This is the little back deck. And let's just sweep around, take a peek. Once again, pretty private. Those other homes are pretty far away. Probably on South Van Ness, those homes are located, so which is the next block up. Let's go down the spiral staircase here. This is a charming backyard with brick pavers, lounge chairs, bench seating. There's a grill down here. I believe that's a common use grill. Just really be careful with San Francisco fire codes and safety. Looks like that's a philodendron plant. And there's a little bit of a gas heater right there on their cool evenings. A little bit of a storage right there if you want it, a Rubbermaid container. But this is a nice area I think you're going to be spending a lot of time in. All right, by the way, there is free washer and dryer right here. This is only shared with one other unit. By the way, the downstairs neighbor is extremely nice, and from what I'm told, everybody really loves him. There's a wash basin. And some really charming outdoor lights. I'm sure that would be really nice at night. This little back porch might be large enough to accommodate a small bistro-style table. Okay, so on to the front yard. There's plenty of room down here for a nice gathering of people. Also, if you want to do like a vegetable garden, you could do a raised bed. Just to let you know, this is the driveway situation. There is a iron gate right there that's padlocked. And you could simply open that and then roll right in. And plenty of space for 2 automobiles there. You can also block your own driveway, so that's an option as well. But look at this. This is a nice big driveway right here for 2 cars. And then space in the garden just for relaxing or doing whatever. So completely safe, sealed off, and gated. All right, let's take a look at some still images of the property. Bye.